Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in yet again. Nate here with 911 Rapid Response. And on today's vehicle showcase, we have for you a Ford F-150 police responder. This vehicle upfitted for the York County Sheriff Department. Much thanks to them, and the vehicle provided to us from Whitmire Auto Group. Much thanks to them for providing the vehicle to the client. And we'll start by going over the aftermarket equipment that we have added on this unit. At the front, Weston brush guard. So we have the headlight fender wraps here. Pretty aggressive look. Some nice protection for the grille. Integrated into the top rail, we have the Whelen Ion. These are duo red, white, and blue, white. Whelen SA315 speaker hanging off the center rail. On the side of the push bumper, each side, we have red, white, and blue, white. High in the visor, slick top unit, we have Whelen FST inner edge. It's a duo unit, two colors, red, white on the driver, blue, white on the passenger. Side at the running board area, it's 5-lamp tracer. This is duo, so alternating red, white, blue, white. This unit's going to be unmarked as well, so no graphics on this unit. As we move to the back, Whelen Vertex, red in the driver's side tail lamp, blue in the passenger side tail lamp. We've also got a 5-lamp tracer mounted between the bumper and the tailgate. We'll get some white function out of that. That is a duo unit, same as the sides, alternating red, white, and blue, white. And in the rear window, we have the RST. That's a 10-lamp unit, duo, red amber and blue amber. Again, this is probably worst case scenario. We're in direct sunlight, and that's behind privacy tint. Another addition here. It's locked. We'll get that unlocked for you. Might be because I had it in neutral. There we go. Custom truck vault unit. So this is a weatherproof unit. Sealed with compression latches on every drawer. So smaller height drawers on the top, and we've got a little bit of a larger depth on the bottom. The unit is weatherproof. The client did not want to put a cap on this truck and also did not want to utilize a tonneau cover. So this box here can be exposed to all elements without any fear of anything intruding into the box as far as moisture, water, rain, snow, sleet, hail, all the above, dust, dirt. And interior addition, ProGuard, ProCell unit. So we have enough containment for one transportee here. Center divider there is blocking off the driver's side half. And we also have the ProGuard poly rear window barrier along with the steel door barriers on each window there. Console edition, we have a Havas console. It's a 24-inch console. ProGuard gun locks. Pull mount with our laptop docking station, also provided by Havas. Customer supplied radio, our Whelen CENTCOM Core control head. We actually have an internal pocket jet printer mount there. And we'll start by going over some function here next. Okay, quick function with the tracers on either side, both the front and rear doors. It's going to be basically the door open and close as an on-off switch for the white. So we'll get a white scene function here with the front and side doors to each respective side. So currently we're in slide position 3. Vehicle is out of park. And we'll take the vehicle to park. And as always, we're going to kill our white flash. We're going to go into a park pattern. So we're going to slow down the flashing. No white flash at all on the front or sides. We have a full scene button. So this is going to give us all of our white scene function, front, side, and rear. Low power, in park, is going to give us a DVI. Might be a little bit difficult to see, again, in daylight. DVI is not ideal for daytime. That's a nighttime function. Cruise function, so low power, steady burn. And if we go to the back of the vehicle, traffic advisor functions, out of park, we also have a brake feature. Reverse feature with the tracer. And I believe we have one more up front with the high beam stalk. So in park, in slide 3, we'll have an event where the high beams will give us our takedown feature. So that way, if the window's down or if the door's open and the officer needs lighting to the front, they don't have to reach in and worry about pressing buttons on the control head. They can just simply flick the high beam stalk and get white scene function to the front. We also have a horn blast function. So slide 3 out of park, we're going to get white blast or a white flood feature while we're on the horn. Just an attention getter. And that'll wrap up our functionality for this vehicle. Thanks again for tuning in. Stay tuned for much more to come. Whelen CENTCOM core builds and much, much more. Like, subscribe, follow on all of our social media outlets, and feel free to reach out if we can help you out with anything. If you have any questions, we have much to offer you. Much expertise here at 911 Rapid Response, and we're always available to share that. Thanks again, y'all, and have a great day.